Meet the new purchasing portal, part of Amdoc's profit procurement and finance infrastructure. The procurement process starts with a purchase need transformed into purchase request and order. After that, the vendor submits an invoice and payment is issued. Let's see how easy it is to submit and track your purchase request in a few simple steps. Just go to the purchasing portal or type purchasing on your browser. You can also open the purchasing portal from your Work Tools bar. Welcome to the purchasing portal. In the portal, you'll be able to open a new purchase request, choose the relevant category, and from there, just follow the instructions to fill out the form. Now, you can submit the request. Once the form is submitted, you can track your request through the tracker and see who needs to approve it. You may review your actions in the Need Your Action folder and view your request details. You will also receive notifications updates via your mailbox. Need more details? You can go to the purchasing portal and approve/reject requests directly from your mobile device. When the vendor submits an invoice for your approval, you will receive a mail notification. Go to the purchasing portal to review and approve it, and track it until payment is done. Wasn't that easy? For support, just call the service desk or open a ticket. Profit, the enhanced platform to manage our purchasing and financial processes.